So we're having our little bonfire, but some Duraflame logs or whatever you call them. And there's my baby. He's all bundled up. I'm hot as hell. Not from the fire though. I don't know. Probably from the beer. But anyway, you won't be able to see me, but I love you, baby.
I love you too.
Are you having fun?
I am.
Okay.